Konnichiwa. Welcome to consonants Japanese. I'm Mei. In this video, we are going to learn how to pronounce Rya Ryu Ryo. Consonants Japanese. Rya Ryu Ryo. These are called Yōon, sounds represented by combined characters. Yōon is a set of sounds that are made up of the consonants in this row, followed by a, u, o, instead of I. For example, Rya Ryu Ryo. These are pronounced with the R sound for D plus a, u, o. By the way, what's the difference between the R sound as in ra, ru, re, ro and the R sound as in D? When you pronounce the R sound for D, you tap the front part of the tongue, not the tip, against the gum ridge. Alright, let's take a closer look at how to pronounce Rya Ryu Ryo. To pronounce Rya, you first make the tongue position of the D sound. Then the tongue moves into position for the A vowel, Rya. Same thing with Ryu and Ryo. To pronounce Ryu, the tongue moves from the D sound to the U vowel, Ryu. To pronounce Ryo, the tongue moves from the D sound to the O vowel, Ryo. If you have trouble pronouncing Rya Ryu Ryo in this way, try to add the J sound, a very short one, between the D sound and the vowel. For example, Rya, you first make the tongue position of the D sound. Then you consciously put the J sound, again, a really short one, before the A vowel. Then the tongue moves into position for the A vowel, Rya. Rya Ryu Ryo. Rya Ryu Ryo. Rya Ryu Ryo. Let's practice pronouncing Rya Ryu Ryo using some real words. Repeat with me. 略語、略語、留学、留学、料理、料理。Confusing words. These are spelled similarly but pronounced differently, having totally different meanings. For example, these words are pronounced differently. This is pronounced do. What about this? This is pronounced ryu. These are also pronounced differently. This is pronounced ryo. What about this? This is pronounced ryo. To practice writing hiragana characters, you can download hiragana worksheets like this on my Patreon page for free. Go to my Patreon page, the link in the description. Alright, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. And if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. じゃあねー。